To turn off your last seen status on WhatsApp. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So for this we just have to go on our WhatsApp app. Then from here we want to go on those three dots from the right top corner. So click on that. Then from here you have to click on settings. And then here you have to click on account and then go to privacy. And here, as you can see, the first option is last seen. So click on that. And then here you have to click on nobody. So now nobody will be able to see when you were last online on your WhatsApp app. And as you can see right here at the top, they say that if you don't share your last scene, then you won't be able to see other people's last scene. So you have to keep that in mind. So yeah guys, this was the video. I hope you like it. If you did, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.